Wake Up, and today is Saturday the 23rd of March, 11 AM. Day 6. Nung Song Sam Si Ha Ho. Okay, as today is the final day of my fast, I'm going to take Changa tonight. Changa is DMT mixed with other herbs such as ayahuasca. Okay, I'm heading into Pai. Break my fast tomorrow, so I want to get some dates and some milk. It's about a 30-minute walk in and about 20 minutes left. Just going to weigh myself again. Okay, 51.1 kilograms. See if any of the Saturday market is here. There's a couple of food stalls, but obviously I'm not eating, so till tomorrow. Okay, picked up some watermelon seeds for 41 baht from Lotus, and some salted broad beans for 21 baht for tomorrow. On to dates. Okay, I'm just coming up to a store that sells silver. I'm looking for a chain for my mum. Okay, we ended up picking up the silver chain for my mum. Got it for 680 baht. Okay, I think I've seen the dates along here. walking past Wat Luang. Okay, let's call into Pai Yes Can. Okay, we're now walking back from Pai Yes Can. Okay, I've decided to buy some baby pineapples for tomorrow. Okay, I bought baby pineapples. Oh yeah, I'm breaking my fast with coffee, dates, probably date first, date then coffee, maybe some of the soya milk on its own, a couple of sips. So I've got a pack of strawberries, a pack of cherry plums, a pack of goji berries, and then I was thinking they were dates, but I think they're called wasam. Okay, we just got called in to Flash for another delivery. We'll be opening that. We found a bag of stuff. Song, vegan or Jane milks for tomorrow when I break my fast. Okay, so I didn't end up taking the changa, however I do on the next episode. So tune in for day Jet.